Today I'm reviewing the Quest Elite Bordeaux Pro outdoor chair. Now, many of you may know I like to review my stuff after I've had it a while. I like to see how things perform over a period of time. But when I got this chair, I simply had to record my first impressions. So there may be another review in a couple of years' time. Well, here goes. Its folded size is 80 by 95 by 15 centimeters, which is about what I would expect. And its weight of 9 kilos tells you it's a sturdy bit of kit. It opens up quite easily and is a stepless full recliner. There's a handy slide out table, which is ideal for drinks and snacks. The covering is Q-Tex padded 2D mesh, which is attached to the frame with this elasticated rope. I understand this can easily be replaced when required. The arms have this contoured wood effect top. The chair can be locked into any position with these levers conveniently positioned under the arms. When it comes to comfort, the designers have thought of everything. The headrest can be moved down for extra lumbar support or removed completely. So with a maximum load capacity of 120 kilos, even I can just lean back and relax. At its heart is the sturdy electroplated aluminium frame with a luxury padded extra wide 57 cm mesh seat. The side table will hold up to 5 kilos. Here we have quality, portability and comfort all rolled into one. So to sum up, this chair is very strong, it's well made, and most of all, it's very comfortable. If you found this review useful, then please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. All you have to do is click the button below. Well, that's all for now. So until the next time, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.